Hey guys, this is the Backhand Handyman. I just wanted to make a quick video. I haven't made many in a while, and I've found something that really helped me out that was pretty easy, so I thought I'd show you. You ever need to clean out the bottom of your refrigerator and have a problem getting it to stay tilted to where you don't lay it over, or it falls over, or you don't have enough room to get down into it? Well, I've came up with a new little solution that made things really easy for me to clean the bottom side of this fridge. But let me go ahead and show you what I'm working with. We got a refrigerator, and it's a two-door. So take the refrigerator, take your kitchen table, pull over your refrigerator, lift up your table, and then when they meet each other, you can adjust how much it's laying over by sliding the table up. But also, it might jiggle, but it's holding good support because the leg's pushing that way, so you want to have a table with good legs. But now I can sit there and work on the bottom of it. Open the doors. Get down in the bottom. All pretty easy. Just thought I'd make that video. Maybe it helped you out a little bit. Peace out. Subscribe. Bye.